Welcome to Srinath Recipes. Today we will see how to make lemon rice. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and fry some cashew nuts. When it turns light brown, take it out. Now fry some peanuts and keep it aside. In the same pan, splatter 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and add 1 teaspoon of gram dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 red chilli and some curry leaves. When the dal turns light brown, add half a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, 1 finely chopped green chilli, 1 pinch of asafoetida powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute this for a few seconds and turn off the flame. Now add 2 cups of cooked rice, 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, a little salt and the fried cashew nuts and peanuts. Mix well. Now it's ready to serve. Please do try and post your feedback.